crazy.
You gone, bro. Did you hear that? Ooh. Oh, you seen that? You see that fire? All right, moment of truth, Kyle. Let's plug it in. Hey, we on. Let's get the video started then. Hey, what up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. It's your boy Brandon Calderon, aka Epic Panda. Man, today I have a good one for y'all. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Nigga, look.
What the fuck?
Fuck off of me. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Today I'm accompanied by, of course, once again, my boy Kyle Delovich. So yeah, as you guys can read on the title and thumbnail, nigga almost kicked me. Today we are doing Can You Microwave This? AKA Is It Microwavable? We have a few items on the list today. And let me just, let me put them together. I'll give you guys a nice little montage of what we're about to microwave. You know. Oh, here it is. I was like, where's the Pokemon? Oh, shit. Alright, so here it is, guys. This is what we're about to microwave. Ready? And yeah, that's what we're gonna microwave today. We're gonna do Evie, of course. If you guys don't know who Evie is, you guys are trash. Then we're gonna do some deodorant, and of course, lastly, we're gonna do the tinfoil ball. Lately on Twitter, it's going around like a lot on Twitter that if you put the tinfoil in for 3 minutes, it'll turn into like a nice solid ball. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see how it is. I think every item we're gonna put in there for at least a minute. We'll see if it's microwavable or not. I don't know. Hopefully I don't catch anything on fire. But yeah, without further ado, you wanna get the video started, Carl?
Let's get it.
Hey! First of all, I want to shout out the homegirl that sold me the microwave. It was only $12, so shout out to you for hooking it up. You feel me? All right, Kyle. Which one we doing first, buddy?
We're doing the apple first.
Hey, apple. I think how long do you think we should put it in there? 3 minutes?
3 minutes, everything?
Well, this one, because this one's bigger than everything else.
A minute 30?
A minute 30? Want to do a minute 30? Fuck it, let's do a minute 30. All right, here it goes. Here it goes. Go ahead, Kyle. I don't know how to work the microwave, to be honest, so good luck.
All right.
Let's put some time. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
That shit popped.
Bro.
Where it popped?
Bro, it's sizzling. Can y'all see it? I don't know if y'all can see it. I don't think you guys can see it. I don't think you guys can see it, but Kyle, try to put some shade over it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, can you hear that?
You hear that? Hey.
But we still got 36 seconds to go.
Oh.
Bro, the juice just came out, bro. I thought it completely popped. I thought it split open and shit.
How hard is it?
That's just hot, bro. Grab it by the stem. Oh, it did crack. It did crack. It has a little butt crack now. Let me see the bottom. Oh! Fuck! You burned my finger.
That's pretty warm.
Oh yeah, she's pretty warm. Try to hang on to it. See how long you can hang on to it. No, not like that, bitch.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. 3, go. That was just burnt the shit out of himself. Let's go. Alright, so the apple, it is microwavable, I guess. Take a bite. You're not down to take a bite.
I'm not down.
Here, I'll take a bite. Take one for the team. Fuck, I don't even know how to grab it. Oh, this is all mushy, look. Apples are not meant to eat. I'm about to throw up. I know, yo. This is hot. This is hot. It burned my lip. It burned my lip. Nope. I ain't biting this.
I throw it away.
Fuck that.
And the corn goes.
I thought I was gonna hit that nigga. Next up, we got the 3 little Taco Bell packages. Hopefully they pop. I want something to pop, but let's see. Let's find out.
Ready when you are.
Let's get it. How long? A minute? 30 seconds?
45 seconds.
45. All right. Click this. I click 4, 5. All right. Oh shit. Oh shit. It sparked. Oh, can you see it? Can you see it? Spark again. Yo, can y'all see that? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Crazy.
You gone, bro. You gone, bro. You gone, bro. Oh, there it goes. Hey, bro, something's gonna catch up. Oh, it caught on fire.
Oh, hey.
Oh.
Get up.
Oh, it's catching fire, bro. Oh shit, it burned. Oh, bro. Hey, we still had 12 seconds left, bro. We still had 12 seconds left, bro. Damn. Now I'm excited for the aluminum foil ball. I'm excited for that one here. I'm gonna have to pull this out though.
Take one for the team.
That shit smells like ass, bro.
No shit.
They're not hot, bro. They're just burning up though. I think these packages are made out of aluminum too.
They are. They thought they
Ugh. So next we're gonna do some degree for men. I mean, it's kind of empty.
Now it's empty. Now it's empty.
Yeah. Not look. Bitch is empty now. I said what's up to the Panda Gang. Panda Gang came through. Spot. How the deal is, guys? Are y'all ready to see this shit melt?
What is that?
It's deodorant.
What are you guys gonna do with it?
We're microwaving it. Alright, close that bitch. Let's get it started. Gotta clear it. How long? How long? A minute?
A minute. No, 2 minutes.
2 minutes? That shit really gonna melt. Here, put that button twice.
This one?
Yep. 2 minutes. There it goes. What do you think's gonna happen? You think it's gonna pop?
Yeah. I think the cap is gonna shoot up.
Why don't you go through the top right here? Right when I put my hand over it. Oh hell no, I'm not doing that. Alright, the next one is aluminum foil. What do you think's gonna happen?
Oh, I tried that.
What happened?
Like, it started making like blue sparks and all.
Oh, that's what the patches, the pouches did. Our predictions is the aluminum foil is gonna catch this freaking microwave on fire. What about you?
It really is.
Think so?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Fire?
No, because one time when I was trying to cook popcorn, I put a foil on the top and I didn't know you're supposed to do that. And I thought I was gonna catch on fire, but it didn't.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
You should take it out.
Pull it out. Oh, bro, it did melt.
Is it hot? Yes, it's hot.
Oh, homie threw it at me. Homie threw it at me. How did that come? Oh, that's the bottom piece.
Yeah.
I was like, how did that come out? But it's not open.
Oh, it didn't melt.
Damn, let me see. It did melt, like I said. But this isn't hot.
Yeah.
It's whatever. Oh yeah, this hot. Moment of truth. Last but not least, guys. I was gonna do Evie, but I don't want Evie to die. Homie be protecting my shit, so I'm gonna choose tinfoil ball.
Damn, it's hot in there. What, put your hand in there?
This shit it is.
You said 3 minutes?
Alright, 3 minutes. Like I said on Twitter, I seen it said 3 minutes, so we're gonna try this one. 3 minutes and see how it works out. Shut the fuck up, I'm vlogging! Get back, bro. Get back.
I think that's gonna explode. How would he get that?
Bro. Nothing's happening. Am I speaking too soon or is nothing really happening? Oh, there it goes. Can y'all see it? Not really. Let's see if it gets into a smooth ball and nothing happens. Did you put it right? Well, let's throw a patch right in there. We got 1 minute. Nothing's happening.
What happened?
Bring the pouch. Damn, that shit smells like ass, bro. You got the pouch? Throw it in that bitch. There's a pouch in there. See that? I'm gonna start it up. Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
Yep, the pouch is more exciting. Fuck this.
You was savage.
Kyle, oh, this shit was booty. I thought the tinfoil was gonna catch my whole shit on fire. Oh, Mythbusters, here we are, busting myth. The tinfoil didn't catch on fire. It's the pouches from Taco Bell. Ooh. Oh, you seen that? You see that fire? Let's see, is it hot? Oh, that's just hot. Here, Kyle.
More fight.
Oh, you almost made it back in the fucking microwave. Oh, man. You used to play baseball? Get a strike. Get a strike.
Potato, potato, potato.
Oh, you booty.
I hit it in there.
You booty.
I made it in there.
Look at this shit. Let me show you how it's done. I never played baseball in my life. Let me show you how it's done.
Hey, way to show me how it's done.
Bro, take two. Let me see that. Take two. Let me see that. Ready? Fuck! No! Oh, nope. Go. Right here. You gotta be at this line. Oh! Oh, he got it! That's my boy! Oh, shit! Alright, guys, that's gonna be the vlog today. I'm here with my boy Kyle. Little Panda Gang. Gang. The deal is, guys, thank you guys for joining us today. You know that. Oh, can we microwave it? What was successful? We had the apple that was successful. I'll give the pouches success because they actually, like, you know, they microwaved a bit. Oh, the deodorant for sure. The deodorant for sure microwave. That bitch fucking melted and shit. This shit though. Disappointment. Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow. What do you think? Trash! Trash! Well, yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button. I'm sorry, I'm closing my eyes. The sun's in my face. I forgot to turn my hat back around. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for the support. Once again, guys, thank you guys for being here. Even though you guys are gonna watch the video later, y'all still here supporting me. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Peace.